Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a JPG file on your mobile device, step by step. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our tips and tricks. Step 1. First, open up Google Photos on your phone. This app is great for storing and editing your pictures. Step 2. Now, select the photo you want to edit. Just tap on the image and you're ready to go. Step 3. Next, tap the Edit button in Enhance. It's located at the bottom of your screen and has a little filter icon. Tap on that to open the editing options. Step 4. You'll see a bunch of suggested filters. Tap through them to find one that you like. The filter that's applied to your photo will be highlighted in blue. Step 5. Now, tap Crop. This option is right next to the suggestions at the bottom. It lets you crop, tilt, or rotate your photo. Once you've adjusted everything to your liking, tap Done to save those changes. Step 6. Next, tap on Tools for more options. Step 7. Then tap on Adjust. Depending on your phone, you can tweak things like depth, brightness, contrast, white point, black point, highlights, shadows, saturation, warmth, skin tone, blue tone, pop, sharpen, denoise, vignette, and HDR. You can play around with these settings to get the perfect look. Step 8. Tap a filter to see how it looks on your photo. You can change the strength of that filter by tapping it again. Once you're happy with it, tap Done to save those adjustments. Step 9. Next, tap on Markup. This lets you draw, highlight, or add text to your photo. Get creative with it. Once you're done, tap Done to save your markup. Step 10. Finally, tap Save. This will save all of the edits you've made to your photo. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.